PCOM, we promote wholeness and wellness. Our holistic approach to healthcare integrates human connection with innovation and research. That focus informs everything we do, our approach to teaching and learning, and to improving the health of our communities. This is the story of our year, our institutional highlights and achievements. Thank you for being part of our shared journey. We take pride in nurturing the next generation of healthcare leaders, equipping them with the skills and values needed to excel in the field. PCOM and PCOM Georgia were above the national average for COMLEX 1. The DO class of 2023 achieved 100% graduate medical education placement rate, 100% of Doctor of School Psychology, and nearly 100% of Doctor of Clinical Psychology student cohorts matched to an APA accredited internship. PCOM school pharmacy students realized a 63% success rate among those applying for a PGY1 residency program, an all-time high for the program. Combined commencement ceremonies were held for 900 students. PCOM South Georgia graduated its inaugural DO class in affirmation of our commitment to the state of Georgia to educate students who serve on the front lines of community health. 46 residents completed their training in 12 PCOM graduate medical education specialties. PCOM submitted its 10-year self-study to the Middle States Commission on Higher Education for continued institutional accreditation. Dr. Peter Biddy and Dr. Marla Golden were named Deans of the Osteopathic Medical Programs at PCOM and PCOM South Georgia, respectively. New core clinical campuses were established: Indiana Regional Medical Center and Independence Health System in Butler, Pennsylvania, Tidal Health in Salisbury, Maryland, Shore Medical Center in Somers Point, New Jersey, and Archibald Medical Center in Thomasville, Georgia. An agreement was executed with the Federally Qualified Healthcare Center Connect in Cordele, Georgia, which committed to 40 OB/GYN clerkships and 20 pediatric clerkships. We foster a supportive learning environment, helping students succeed academically, emotionally, and professionally. PCOM's Student Mental Health Task Force, a multidisciplinary team across campuses, raised awareness of mental health resources, increased trainings, and strengthened policies. Meta Christi House reached 92% occupancy, providing students in Philadelphia with a safe and inclusive on-campus living community. PCOM simulations support a wide range of simulation-based education spanning all programs. We educate our students to be change agents, communities that are enriched with varied backgrounds, enhance scholarly work, and develop a culturally aware and responsive healthcare workforce. Nearly 300 faculty and staff participated in PCOM's DEI certificate program. A pilot DEI certificate at PCOM Georgia and PCOM South Georgia engaged 625 students in trainings. Affinity villages were created on each campus to provide networks of support, enhance well-being, and improve retention. 80 high school students graduated from Opportunities Academy, an initiative that aims to introduce those underrepresented in medicine to careers in healthcare. Commitment to research leads to impactful discoveries and collaborations that advance the understanding of holistic healthcare. The amount of external funding for research was over $8 million, with 9 new grants and contracts awarded to PCOM investigators. Interdisciplinary research generated findings related to access to care and potential therapeutics for COVID-19, nutrition education and behavior modification, and psychosocial and medical marijuana treatments for patients with opioid use disorder. Research excellence was manifested in increased faculty and student publications and presentations. Research Day showcased 253 posters. The Journal of Integrated Primary Care, PCOM's first open access peer-reviewed scientific publication, launched as well. We actively engage with our communities and commit to making a positive impact on the people we serve. Accelerate Health Equity celebrated its first anniversary, and PCOM affirmed its partnership, working with organizations across Philadelphia to address health equity. The PCOM Healthcare Centers furthered their mission to provide high-quality, compassionate care to vulnerable patient populations. To help combat food insecurity, the centers redouble their commitment to on-site food pantries, distributing over 5,000 pounds of food. The PCOM Community Wellness Initiative broadened its reach and expanded partnerships, positively impacting the health of over 15,000 individuals across Philadelphia and Georgia. More than 60 community events offered educational programming and health screenings. Donors and volunteers build and sustain our legacy through their generous support and passion. PCOM attained more than $15.2 million in commitments, the largest total raised for the fourth year in a row. 80% of the amount contributed was allocated for strategic initiatives. Through PCOM Pillars, nearly 1,750 alumni dedicated 4,000 hours of service to the institution, speaking on panels, mentoring students, and conducting mock interviews. Thanks for a great year and for propelling us toward an exciting new year ahead.